It's Badass Bowtie 572 from the House of Custom saying, what's up? Well, I decided I was going to do another video of something I did a while back for fun. It started off as 2-wheel drive. I converted it to a 4-wheel. Man, I wanted something different to do to it. Well, yeah, I need to upgrade on its side. But there it is. 99 Chevy Silverado. In the kit. The kit comes as a 2-wheel drive. I took the Avalanche style Escalade, cut the front end out for this here, and converted it to a 4-wheel drive. I'll start off up underneath. I can't flip it over. Okay. Yep, there's the transfer case right there. Front end. All wheels turn still. I'm surprised. But that decal right there came from the General Charger. I had it and I'm like, I wanted something. I wanted to put on something. And I figured that would look cool right on there. The motor. It's dirty. It's a work truck, who cares? But that is homemade. It's all scratch built. Did not get it. Did not buy it. Did not. Yeah, I didn't buy it or anything. I made that myself. I hit it up and bent it somewhat towards to the bumper. Blacked out headlights. One Chevy emblem. The lights are just glued in there. Nerf bars. I made myself. Driver's side. Passenger side. Bet you guys are wondering why the passenger side is longer than the driver's side. Well, the 99 Chevy pickups, when they did the cabs that way, it's just this back of the cab that opens. The driver's side does not. But apparently 4x4 on there myself. The cowboy up. 4x4 blacked out taillights. Get her done. Right there. One of my buddies, when I painted that on there, one of my buddies was like, hey, you spelled that wrong. It's supposed to be an I instead of an E. I'm like, screw that. Oh well, who cares? Stacks. CB antennas. Tire. Hay bale in there. I downsized. Rope. The rear end. Right there. That tire and rim came from the Peterbilt 359 conventional tractor. I'll be having updates on the one I'm working on. Got the chain back there, a barrel. Floor jack, toolbox, 4-way. Did a Rhino line, Linux bed rail. I mean, beds in a box. Side rails are done the same way. That's actually pretty easy. I'll do a how-to on that one of these days. You guys are wanting to do a Linux. It actually even has a texture of it too. It's pretty simple. I might do it later on tonight. But interior's all blacked out. I got CB here. Let's see here without blinding anybody. Interior's flat black and gloss black. Got a DVD screen right in the center of the seats hanging there. Okay, you guys can see it there. Past that DVD screen is right there. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that is the CV, and yeah, CV with the mic. Can't flip it up upside down and let it sit on its top. Okay. Front end. Exhaust. It's all single. Goes up single into the box. That is square to that plastic strap. C channel for my Y off. I drilled it out. That is the stacks are K&S aluminum tubing. I don't even know what size, I forget. Clearance switch came from a Ford F-150. Yeah. But that is it. Not too bad of a truck. But let me know what you guys think. Comment, rate, subscribe if you guys already haven't. I'd like to thank all the subscribers I have now. As of now, it's roughly about, I've been on YouTube for about a year, but not very active since my last post from last year. And that would have been my 70 Chevelle. That I want to say heat lamp, but my desk lamp melted. But all that weathering on there is all from that right there. Yeah. See the prices? $34.99 from Hobbytown USA. Retail is $41.99. I've done quite a bit with all that, but until then, like I said before, comment, rate, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. I will be doing a little more updates. I do have a trailer for that truck, but that's going to be another thing itself with the car sitting on it. But let me know what you guys think. I will have more eventually. Sorry about the light. I have to use the light on my phone because my desk lamp all burnt out today. It sucks, but it is what it is. Nothing a little money won't be able to fix. Which that'd be like Friday or so. But yeah, I got a few on here. One of these days, I don't know what type of how-to video I will do, but I plan on eventually doing one. But we all know how all that works out. But until then, talk to you guys later. Bye.